Hazrat Alqama reports that Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, I was going along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam through the ruins of Madina Munawwara, and he was reclining on a staff when a group of the Jews happened to pass by. Some of them said, Ask him about the Spirit, whereas some others said, Do not ask him, because he might say something which you do not like. Some of them said that they would certainly ask. So a man stood up and said, O father of Qasim, what is the soul? He remained silent. I said to myself, Revelation is being sent down on him. I remained in standing posture. When that state was over, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, And they ask you about a spirit. Say, the Spirit is a thing by the command of my Lord, and you were not given knowledge but a little. Surah Al-Asra, verse 85. Amash said, It is Vama Utu in our mode of recitation. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 125.